Welcome back, everybody. Got a quick and easy one for you. Ever get in your car and your light is suddenly blinking super fast when you turn the turn signal on? The other one's blinking slow. Well, chances are you got a bad bulb. So on this F250, you have two 8mm bolts, and then you can pull this off. This one will actually clip into those right there, but I have previously took this apart, so it was a little bit easier on myself. So I'm trying to set you up quick. So you just take your new bulb, throw it in there, and then it will snap back in place. Easy peasy. All right, come to the front, and it's back normal again. So there you guys go. Super simple, under a couple minutes. Thanks everybody. Like, subscribe, share us. Deuces.